This week's Movement Monday challenge is a new take on how to make row exercises harder for particularly your back. This is like a leverage style row. So instead of progressing your rows where you're bringing one arm out to the side, archer rows, single arm rows, more on the unilateral side, what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your hands closer towards your hips. And this is going to extend the amount of weight above your hands that you're using, and it's gonna make it more difficult. So instead of pulling up by the shoulders like this, it's gonna be more of bringing your hands slightly lower towards your hips and rowing. Be aware that this is going to be a little bit more on your back, little less in your biceps, but it still is very much a biceps exercise, especially as you're getting a little bit lower towards your hips and you need to use your arms for some semblance of stability. Also keep in mind that you have other variations that you can progress or regress this movement with. The length of your body, for example, so doing it in tabletop formation is going to be easier than doing it with your legs straight or out. And also with straps, you can adjust the angle of your body to gravity. So starting at about 45 degrees, that's a good way to get a feel for how it would feel with your hands much closer to your hips. Lastly, play around with your hand position. Lots of people find that one hand position, overhand grip, underhand grip, neutral grip, may feel more comfortable, and use what feels best for you. Usually about 2 to 3 sets, 8 to 12 repetition, typical bodybuilding style program works well for this, but also going for volume is good if you're really struggling to build up your lats. There you go, Movement Monday. Questions down below. Be fit, live free.